Hello viewers, welcome back to my channel All Bangla 100. In this video, I'll show how to fix Roblox two-step verification code not sending in email problem. Let's see how to fix this problem following all steps. Do not skip. Go to phone setting, scroll down, tap on apps, find out Roblox app, tap on Roblox, tap on force stop, tap on OK, tap on permission, turn on all permission on Roblox app. Go to Google Play Store, tap on search Roblox app, tap on Roblox, update Roblox app if showing on Play Store. Thanks for watching. Don't forget like and subscribe.